Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're tackling a Leetcode easy problem called largest perimeter triangle. The goal sounds simple, but there's a neat little trick to solving it efficiently. We'll break it down step by step. Let's get started. Okay, so here's the task. We're given an array of integers called nums. These numbers represent potential side lengths for a triangle. Our job is to pick 3 of these lengths to form a triangle that has the largest possible perimeter, and then return that perimeter. If we can't form any triangle at all, we just return 0. Before we dive into solving it, we need to remember a fundamental rule from geometry, the Triangle Inequality Theorem. It's simple. For any 3 lengths to form a triangle, the sum of any 2 of them has to be strictly greater than the third one. If they're equal, you just get a flat line, which has 0 area. Now here's a little trick that makes our lives much easier. If we sort the side lengths first, let's say from smallest to largest, A, B, and C, we actually only need to do one check. We just need to see if the 2 smaller sides, A and B, add up to more than the largest side, C. The other 2 conditions will always be true, because C is already the biggest side. This simplification is the core of our solution. Let's walk through an example. Imagine our input list is 1, 2, 1, and 10. Can we make a triangle? Well, let's try picking 1, 1, and 2. If we add the 2 smaller sides, 1 plus 1, that equals 2. It's not greater than the third side, so that's not a valid triangle. What about 1, 2, and 10? 1 plus 2 is 3, which is way smaller than 10. That also fails. It turns out no matter how we combine these, we can't satisfy the rule, so the answer here is 0. Okay, how about a successful case? Let's say our input is 2, 1, 2. First, let's think about them in sorted order to make it easier. 1, 2, and 2. Now we apply our simplified rule. Is the sum of the 2 smaller sides greater than the largest? Well, 1 plus 2 is 3. Is 3 greater than the other side, which is 2? Yes, it is. So we have a valid triangle. The perimeter is just the sum of the sides, which is 5. This leads us directly to our main approach. To get the biggest perimeter, it makes sense that we should use the biggest numbers available in our list, right? This is a huge clue that sorting the array is a good first step. Once it's sorted, the largest numbers will all be at the end, making them easy to find and test. So here's the game plan. First, we sort the entire list of numbers from smallest to largest. Then, instead of starting from the beginning, we'll start from the very end, where the biggest numbers are. We'll look at the last 3 numbers as a potential triangle. We check our rule. Are the 2 smaller ones added together bigger than the biggest one? If they are, we've found our answer. Because we started with the largest possible numbers, any other valid triangle we could find would have a smaller perimeter, so we can just return their sum and we're done. If that triplet doesn't work, we shift one step to the left and try the next group of 3 and so on. If we get to the beginning of the list and haven't found anything, it means no triangle is possible, and we return 0. And here's what that looks like in Python. First, we call the sort method on our list, nums. Then we set up a loop that starts from the third to last element and goes backwards. Inside the loop, we have our one simple check. We ask if the number at index I plus the number at index I plus 1 is greater than the number at index I plus 2. If it is, we immediately return the sum of those 3 numbers. If the loop completes without finding a valid triangle, we return 0 at the end. It's a really clean and efficient solution. So how efficient is this? The time complexity is dominated by the initial sort, which is big O of n log n, where n is the number of elements in our input list. The loop we run afterwards is faster, just big O of n, so it doesn't change the overall complexity. For space, because we sort the array in place, we're using big O of 1, or constant, extra space, which is fantastic. Let's quickly recap. The most important thing to remember for this problem is the triangle inequality rule. Once you know that, the idea of sorting the array to easily find the largest numbers should come to mind. By starting with the largest potential sides and working backwards, we guarantee that the first valid triangle we find will have the largest possible perimeter. If you enjoyed this problem and want to keep practicing, the learning doesn't have to stop here. I've organized all my video solutions into handy playlists. Whether you're looking to grind through more Leetcode easy, medium, or hard problems, or you want to master a specific topic like sliding window or dynamic programming, I've got a playlist for you. It's the perfect way to focus your study sessions. Go to the playlist tab and find a playlist that fits your goals. Also, if you're looking for even more Leetcode problems beyond the daily challenge, I've started a second channel called Leetcode Unlocked. It's where I'll be posting solutions to a ton of other problems. So if you're serious about your interview prep, be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. Hope this Leetcode solution breakdown made sense. If it helped, give that like button a click, maybe subscribe for more, or drop a comment if you have questions. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you know straight away when I upload a video, because I upload videos daily. This channel doesn't make any money from sponsorships or ads yet, so if you're feeling generous, there's always the Boba Fund. Keep coding, and I'll catch you in the next one.